Hello friends! In this video we will share with you the idea on how to make a chimney. For the making of chimney, we use foam board with a thickness of 5 mm. You can download the chimney pattern in our Telegram channel. It's free. The link to the Telegram channel is in the description under the video. To maintain the vertical, we attach the corner ruler to the side parts. For gluing, we use a hot glue gun with a power up to 20 watts. To bend the part, we cut the top layer of foam board and bend it carefully. For coloring, I use a sponge and acrylic paint. I glue the balloons with a low temperature hot glue gun with the power up to 20 watts. The chimney is ready. You can watch how to make Santa's feet on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching us.